The Japanese katana is a legendary sword, known for its exceptional craftsmanship and sharpness. Restoring a rusted Japanese katana sword is a meticulous and skilled process that requires a combination of traditional techniques and modern tools. Assessment. Examine the sword carefully to determine the extent of rust and damage. Rust removal. The restoration begins by using very diluted sulphuric acid to gently remove the rust that has accumulated over time. This process helps unveil the original steel beneath the corrosion. Sanding. The blade is then meticulously sanded on a belt sander. This step is crucial for removing any remaining rust, as well as smoothing the surface in preparation for further treatments. Quenching. To harden the steel, the blade is quenched in black oil. This ancient technique strengthens the metal, ensuring its durability and sharpness. Wet sanding. The sword undergoes a series of wet sanding steps, progressing up to a 1000 grit finish. This meticulous process enhances the blade's sharpness and overall appearance. Guard creation. A candle wax mold is made to replicate the sword's guard. Brass casting is performed in a homemade furnace, creating a beautifully detailed and authentic guard. Guard refinement. The newly cast guard is then refined. Files and various grits of sandpaper are used to achieve a smooth and polished finish. Hibaki crafting. Using the same wax casting method, a hibaki piece is created. This component is a crucial part of the sword's construction as it connects the blade to the handle. Etching. The craftsman carefully etches their logo of random hands onto the hibaki piece using ferric chloride, adding a personal touch to the sword's design. Hibaki finishing. The hibaki piece is sanded up to a 1500 grit, using sandpaper to achieve a pristine, smooth surface. Handle selection. White wood is chosen for the handle, ensuring a durable and aesthetically pleasing grip for the sword. Brass bead casting. Small brass diamond beads are created using the same wax method. These beads will be later embedded into the wooden handle. Handle assembly. Using a scroll saw, the brass beads are meticulously embedded into the wooden handle. This step requires precision and skill to achieve an even, comfortable grip. Tang routing. A router is employed to create a channel in the wooden handle for the tang, ensuring a secure and tight fit. Blade sharpening. The blade is sharpened again, this time up to an impressive 5,000 grit, making it exceptionally sharp and ready for use. Blade polishing. A buffing disc is used to meticulously polish the blade, enhancing its sheen and overall appearance. Wood blackening. The wooden handle is blackened using a gas torch, giving it a traditional yet sophisticated appearance. Assembly. In the final assembly process, all the pieces are securely attached using epoxy, ensuring the sword's structural integrity. Finishing touches. A clear paint finish is applied to the sword, providing a protective layer and enhancing its overall appearance. Sword testing. After the extensive restoration, the katana is finally ready for testing, ensuring it meets the highest standards of quality and performance.